Hi and welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to make this edge control. This has a strong hold when applied on your hair. This gel is a water-based gel, so it's good for wash and goes. It helps eliminate frizz. It helps with twist out, braid out, and also help your coils pop in. So let's get started. So guys, to make this edge control, I will have my ingredient measured out, and the first ingredient I have here is my aloe vera juice, and aloe vera juice will serve as the base of this gel. Like I mentioned earlier, this is water based, so I have my aloe vera juice, and I also have my distilled water. So I'm going to measure out all the ingredients, and then we'll start the gel proper. So guys, at this point I'm measuring out my xanthan gum. For this hair gel, I use xanthan gum clear. If you don't have xanthan gum clear available, feel free to use the food grade xanthan gum. You can also use guar gum if you don't have xanthan gum available. So after measuring out my xanthan gum, the next I measure that is my glycerin. Glycerin is a humectant. It will help draw water from the atmosphere into your hair even as you apply this hair gel. So the next I'm measuring at this point is my protein. I use wheat, hydrolyzed wheat protein. Feel free to use any protein of any hydrolyzed protein of choice. And this what I'm using here is wheat protein. So guys, after measuring out all the ingredients, here is in my beaker I have my aloe vera juice. And for my aloe vera juice, I have 144 grams of aloe vera juice. And the next I am adding is my distilled water, 40 grams. Like I mentioned, the aloe vera juice and the distilled water will serve as my base for this natural hair gel. Then the next I added is my hydrolyzed wheat protein. And after adding and mixing it, then next I'm adding my preservative. For my preservative, I use liquid German plus. Feel free to use any preservative of choice. Like I will always advise, remember to follow your manufacturer's instructions as you use your preservative. So after adding my preservative and mixing it, then the next I'm going to add is my xanthan gum mixture. And for my xanthan gum, I mixed it in the glycerin. For the xanthan gum I'm using, I use 4 grams of xanthan gum clear cosmetic grade, and I mixed this into my glycerin. I mixed it with glycerin, 6 grams of glycerin. So guys, as usual, I'm going to drop the measurements and ingredients I use on the screen. So after adding my xanthan gum and glycerin mixture and I'm mixing it, I'm going to leave this for 4 to 5 hours to allow the xanthan gum to hydrate. So guys, after 4 hours, here's my natural hair gel. My gel is ready. So at this point, this is what it looks like. So I'm going to mix it. I'm going to mix it with my spatula, and as you can see, this is a clear gel. So to mention, if you want it to be crystal clear, use distilled water. I've tried that. The first one I made when I was trying out this gel, I used distilled water for it, and it was crystal clear. So if you want it that way, use just distilled water. But to get the nutrient and the benefit from the aloe vera juice, that's why I used it in this tutorial. So at this point, guys, transfer into a sterilized container and start using right away. How to use: after washing your hair, apply your leave-in conditioner, then apply this gel. If you're using it for wash and go, beautiful. If you're using it to lay down your edges, perfect. And if you're using it for twist out and braid out, it works best. So guys, feel free to share my videos. If you have any question, let me know in the comment section. If you have any concern as well, do same. And don't forget, like I mentioned, please don't forget to share this video to those who you think might be interested in it. Share my videos and like them, and subscribe if you've not done so. And also remember to press the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. So as you keep watching this video, so this is the end result. This is what it looks like. And this hair gel has shelf life of 1 year plus. I've used, like I mentioned, I've made this before, and it lasted me a year and 3 months, I think. 1 year and 3 months. So once you're using it without dipping a wet hand into this gel, it will last even longer than that. So here is me checking it out and just looking at the shade and trying to get a clear view of it and picture of it so that you can see it clearly. So at the end of this video, if you watch to the end, I showed the video of the next gel I'm going to upload. That will be a light and liquid gel, and that also can be used to define your coils. So it's just a sneak peek into that tutorial and how the gel will look like. This I poured it into a container, but the one you will see at the end of this video will be into, I'll pour it into a bottle. It's liquid and it's not as thick as this one. So guys, thank you so much for watching my video. See you in my next tutorial. Bye.